Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our very handsome 1974 Triumph Tr6 Convertible. British Racing green, biscuit trim, black top, 4-speed, disc wheels, luggage rack, chrome luggage rack. Really lovely car. We purchased it recently from its British car enthusiast up in Oregon. He had the car restored probably 8 years ago, still showing really well, great paint, great mechanicals, wood steering wheel, nearly new interior, super good interior on this car, very, very clean, rust-free, straight, excellent running. Let's have a quick look at the mileage. I forgot to look at the mileage on it. Showing 3,900, so probably 103,000 original miles, but like I said, mechanically super good. So yeah, let's take a little slow walk around on this car. The nice thing about this car, it's an original rubber overrider car, but you can see he's deleted those overriders, giving it the earlier look for the 72, 73 cars. Great body, super good gaps, really lovely glossy paint. We've done a couple little touch-ups here and there, but it presents beautifully all the way around. Good rear chrome bumper, nice tail lights. Just super clean. It's got the earlier chrome tubular luggage rack, which is the prettier luggage rack versus the 75, 76 model. But yeah, really great gaps, crisp body lines. Nice newer fresh tires. New windshield fitted, new rubber, nice new lockup strip as you can see here, just perfect glass. You can see door rubber is great. Brand new black top that we just fitted professionally with our trimmer. All new rubber seals, you can see here, all that's fresh. Have a look at the still photos. Totally restored interior, wood LECARRA, alloy, aluminum wheel, new seat kits, newer carpets. You can see here all matching biscuit carpets. The dash has been completely restored, so all new crash pads. New solid teak dash, all the knobs, all the instruments are working great. Like I said, super nice chrome luggage rack. That was bought new and fitted in here, completely new. Let me just tuck that tag in there. Complete new trunk kit all the way around. So super pretty. Super nice, freshly done trunk. This car's got a sports exhaust on it, which is super nice for the performance of the engine. Let's take a look under the hood. This is a very nice, clean, original. Yeah, real nice original, mostly original paintwork in here. You can see here, super nice, clean, detailed engine. New brake and master and servo system. We just updated that as well. So new master and booster, but super good running, super good driving. Really nicely detailed. There's a little overview there of that. Really lovely clean engine compartment. Yeah, rubber's good. Trunk hood fits great. Pair of bullet mirrors. Do the final walk around here. Yeah, this is our #1 color scheme on basically any British car. Just the quintessential British color scheme. It's dark British racing green, tan interior. Very little trouble selling cars in this color scheme. And here it is. That's our 1974 Triumph Tr6 Convertible. Dark British racing green, biscuit trim, black top.